Hola chicos, it is the end of the week again. So today, hopefully you already watched the video on reading the book, Estamos en un libro. Hopefully that was enjoyable for you. It's one of my favorite kids' books. I even read it to my little girl, and I've read it to my previous Spanish 1 classes. So today you're going to do an AR verb poster to show me that you know how to conjugate a verb and you can use it in a sentence. So a couple things here is that you need to pick an AR verb from page 76 of your vocabulary. So if you're looking at your list here in the blue column, there's los verbos, okay? You need to choose one of those, and that's the one you're gonna go with. It's up to you, you get to choose, okay? So you're gonna choose, you need to have that verb clear at the top. You need to make sure that you have 6 conjugations with the pronoun. So for example, you need to show me yo tomo. If you're using the word tomar, if that's the one you choose, then you'd write tomar at the top of the paper. Then you would give me the 6 conjugations. Yo tomo, tú tomas, I take, you take, and you do all 6 of them like the chart, okay? And then you also need 4 example sentences of that verb. So for example, if I want to say, I need to use 4 different instances on how to use that verb with different subjects, okay? And use some vocab. So for example, I say, ellos toman un examen. They take an exam. So not only did I have the ellos toman in my 6 conjugations, but I also gave an example of how to use it in a sentence. Nosotros tomamos la mochila a la escuela. We take a backpack, or we take the backpack to school. Now, here are a couple examples. These are from Spanish 2, which means in Spanish 2, they had to conjugate it 2 different ways. So you'll actually see 12 different conjugations. You guys only need 6, okay, as mentioned right here. So, for example, this person did to follow. So they actually drew a picture. Also, I forgot to mention that you have to draw a picture of the action. Let me actually write that down right here. Right. Definition and draw a pic or theme of definition. So, for example, this person had to follow, which is not one of our words, but they drew little ducklings, and off the ducklings came little balloons, and each of these they wrote one of the conjugations, okay? And they wrote seguir, to follow, at the top. That's one example. Someone else did the word to open. Again, not one of our verbs. This is Spanish 2. They wrote the subject pronouns over here. They did a door to open. They gave me, they don't have any example sentences, but you guys need to write example sentences, okay? They were writing in all the different tenses. You guys are doing 1 tense and 4 examples. This person did the word to wash, okay? And they actually do different conjugations and different bubbles. They do the word at the top, and they drew a picture. Let's see, this person did to see, so they drew eyes with conjugations and then wrote some example sentences down at the bottom. This person did to search for or to look, and they drew their conjugations up here and drew a picture, wrote the word and the definitions. And there's lots and lots of other ones that you could do. Pedir means to ask, like you're on a plane asking for things. This person did to have, like to have to save someone, and did all the conjugations. This person did to dance, and they drew a little ballerina, and they wrote some sentences in their definition. So there's lots more examples here, but those are just a few for you to see. So to review, pick a verb off page 76 on our list, give me 6 conjugations, and you can incorporate it into the picture. I need 4 sentences with different subjects using the vocabulary on page 76, and then make sure that you do write the verb in the definition. So if I said the word tomar, it means to take, and then you can draw that picture or theme definition. You'll get white sheets of paper will be available, and then we always have our markers and colored pencils and everything like that, and then you can turn it into the tray when you're done. Hope that makes sense. Again, use your book as a reference. Adios, chicos. Hope to see you soon.